First of all, guys, let me introduce my new hat. I burned my neck so much, so I kind of need to use this because, yeah, it's kind of hurting. So, yeah, no dress code out here, luckily, so I will pass.
Excuse me, gentlemen. This is a $500 a plate dinner. Good night.
Oh, 500. Oh, okay. All right, no problem. Here, put us down for 4, in case we want seconds.
But I have a rabbit project for today, or this afternoon. These rabbit bottles, I'll show you. These bottles, they empty pretty much 1 or 2 times per day, depending on how much hay they get and fresh grass and so on. And I want to fix that, so I bought, let's see, one of these. Let's see if you can see it. It's a nipple for the watering. So the idea is that they will have a nipple coming through like this, and the nipple will be attached by one of these hoses up somewhere, I don't know where yet. And we will fill up a bigger bucket much easier, and they will have water throughout the whole day, and maybe I only need to refill the water every 5th day or something, we'll see. But yeah, that's the project for now, so let's get going. Well, I think the project is pretty straightforward, but it's not easy for that. Well, we're going to drill a hole to begin with and attach this one to the bottom, and then try to hang this up somewhere and attach nipples. I think I'll do it here at the middle. And I know, don't drill too big of a hole here because you can't really put it back together, so begin with a very small one. Let's try to make it slowly bigger. There we go. It's a really tight spot, and we're through. So the idea now is to put some silicone all around it. And yeah, I know this is way too much, but well, what can I do? I don't have any finer way to do it. Okay, so this one needs to dry now, and ideally I would like to collect some rainwater from the draining pipes here, but the ceiling hasn't been cleaned yet, so I'm actually just gonna hang it up here on the side with a screw for now, I think. So I have now a chain here, which I will hang this one up to. So I guess it's gonna work actually as a drip system at the hospital. This though needs to be dry first, so I think I need to continue this project tomorrow, but so far so good. It's a new day, guys. Still have my sunburn, but yeah, it's dry and nice. So let's attach this to our ribbit cages. Ribbit cages. And I'm gonna of course cut the chain. It's too long at the moment, but whoop. There we go. That's a ton better. Now it's connecting with 2 sturdy screws, so that will stick. First thing I'll do now is to attach one of these to go down here and have one wood nipple over here. I think that's the start. Then we will need the pipe to go down here. It's long enough here. It should work as well. So that's good. I'm using one of these. One of those nipples water. So when they bite here or poke here at the end, let's see if we can get it, water will drip out and they'll attach with one of those springs and connect it to here. So let's see if I can connect. I guess I wanted to have something around here maybe. So the first thing I guess I need to do then is attach this one like that. So it's a little bit of flex to it. A moment of truth. Well, it's connected at least. I think we're gonna attach the other one and then we'll do the water test. Get it in there and then drag it like that. Now I attach my hose. There we go. Something like this. So I think this one is good because it has a nice angle and it goes down. This one over there doesn't have that nice of angles. So I think I need to cut that a little bit actually. As you can see, this one, maybe it's easy to show you. This one is almost pointing upwards and we want it to go downwards a little bit at least, or straight. So I think I just cut off just a little tiny bit. Something like that. There we go. And I'm a little bit nervous, but let's do this. And you really want to get the air out of it, and as you can see, there are bubbles still going. Maybe need to refill, get air out of the other one as well. Okay, there's water coming, slowly though. But there's a lot of air in the system that we need to empty out first, I think, now in the first one. Okay, so this last one over here has a little bit problem with the air bubble up on top. I need to monitor that one and still have the bottles over here still connected for a little bit while, but it should be fine. And this other one over here, yeah, works like a charm. So yeah, I have an automatic water system, well, semi-automatic. The next step will be to attach the bucket under the drainage pipe here, or the pipe, so we can get rainwater with a small filter on top. And that way we don't need to refill the system much at all. But this is 12-liter bucket, so it will last much longer than our other ones. So I'm pretty happy about that. Happy about this. This is after all the first version of this system. Don't need to water the rabbits that much anymore, which saves me a lot of time, a nice time to have to do other fun projects. I'm still gonna have the bottles, old water bottles attached for a little bit more, so they get to learn the new system, and then slowly I will remove that one and make sure that they have enough drinking water anytime. And I really hope you enjoyed this video and at least learned something. This is, as I said, the version 1, and I will do upgrades on this system, but now we have a start at least. Thank you much for watching, and guys, leave any comments down below if you got any questions. Hit that like button, and if you feel like it, hit that subscribe button as well. If you got any friends that you might want to tip this about, feel free to share this video. I really appreciate it. Guys, have a great day.